In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign leads in Zoho CRM. Assigning leads correctly is important because it makes sure every new inquiry goes to the right person fast. In Zoho CRM, one of the most reliable ways to do this is by using assignment rules. These rules automatically route leads based on conditions you choose, such as location, lead source, or other fields in your lead record. To begin, sign in to your Zoho CRM account and look at the top area of the screen. Click the Settings option. This is where Zoho keeps the tools for configuring your system. Once you are in Settings, find the Automation section. Under Automation, click Assignment Rules. This area is specifically for controlling how records like leads get assigned to users. Next, create a new rule by clicking the option that says plus, Create Assignment Rule. This opens the setup for a brand new assignment rule. Now give your rule a clear name. Use something descriptive that you will recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one rule. Then select the module. For this tutorial, choose the Leads module, since we are assigning incoming leads. After that, define the criteria for the rule. This is the logic Zoho will use to decide which leads match. For example, you might set criteria like a state equals a specific region, or the lead source equals a certain channel. The key tip here is to make sure the fields you use in your criteria are filled in consistently when leads are created. Otherwise, the rule may not apply as expected. Once your criteria is set, choose who should receive the matching leads. You can select a specific user if one person should always get them, or choose a round-robin group if you want Zoho to distribute leads evenly across multiple team members. Round-robin is especially helpful for sales teams because it helps balance workload automatically. Finally, click Save. From this point forward, leads that meet your criteria will be assigned according to the rule you created. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.